Welcome, everybody. My name is Rajesh Menon. I'll be very quick. My group website is at the bottom, lons.utah.edu, so you can find all the information there. I would start off by saying we're looking for the best students to tackle some of the world's biggest problems. And specifically, my group works on a pretty big range of problems, ranging from, as you can see on the top left, 2D and 3D nanofabrication. So how do we make structures that are extremely small in a scalable manner, which of course is applicable to manufacturing in general, advanced manufacturing, which is very critical for the infrastructure for our country. On the right, next to it, I have a bullet called Computational Nanophotonics, where we have combined computer science principles with nanofabrication to enable photonics devices that have never been demonstrated before. So they're essentially world record devices. Moving on, we also work on various kinds of computational imaging. This essentially means if you think about the vast majority of images and videos that are taken today will never actually be seen by a human being. They will only be seen by a machine. Then we need to really rethink what a camera is. It raises lots of very interesting philosophical questions, but our approach is primarily driven by information theory. So we apply principles of information theory and essentially some basic mathematics with optics to come up with cameras that are essentially what we call non-human cameras, enabling superhuman capabilities. Moving on, we also work in biology on imaging deep inside the brain, primarily the mouse brain, but also a few other animal species as well. We build very, very small microscopes to be able to see deep inside the brain with the goal of understanding neural networks and particularly physiological behavior. And these are experiments done in collaboration with the neuroscientists, both in Utah and also around the world. We collaborate very widely. More recently, we've been working on quantum photonics and optics, where we are looking at fairly fundamental studies of understanding questions about quantum measurements, uncertainty principle, and so on, all the way to more applications such as integrated photonics for quantum cryptography and communications. So in a nutshell, we work on nanofabrication, machine learning, and related algorithms, various optics and photonics devices, ranging from fundamental studies to applications. And again, we are looking for truly excellent students who are really interested in working hard and making a huge impact on whatever project they prefer to work on. Feel free to contact me on my website. Thank you.